Every day I see the same thing. A smart manager opens Power BI report, then click a slicer for the name, then a slicer for a product, then a slicer for an industry, scroll down and slicer again. Every single time. It's frustrating. What if you could get your personal view every time, just in one click? That fix is called Personal Bookmarks, and it's been hiding in a plain sight. Think of it like a Spotify playlist. You don't rebuild your favorite playlist every time you want to listen to it. Just hit the play. Bookmarks do the exact same thing for your data. The best part? They are personal. They don't change the report for anyone else. It's all your control, none of the risk. Okay, let me show you how easy it is. It will take less than 1 minute. First, apply a slicers in the report exactly how you want to see it in the next time. Perfect. Now go to the top menu and find Bookmarks icon. Click it. Select Add a personal bookmark. Next, give it a clear name. I will call this Market Trends and hit Save. That's it. To show you the magic, I will reset the report. The next time you open it, you just open the Bookmarks panel. Click Market Trends and everything is instantly filtered. No more repetitive clicking. Here's a quick bonus tip to make you look like a pros. Important insight with your bookmarked view. Don't just tell your team how to find it. Show them. Just apply your bookmark, then use Share button. The link you send will open the report with your exact view already loaded. Please remember to select Include My Changes option. And if you ever feel lost, just click Reset to Default in top corner. You will get a default view of the report without your changes. No worries, you can't break anything. It's just your safety net. So, you can go back to your click, click, scroll routine tomorrow, or you can take 30 seconds right now. Please pause the video, open your most used Power BI report, and set up your very first bookmark. Your future self will thank you.